Yun.
Okay, but before that, we're going to play a little
Yun,
game.
malapit.
Okay, we're going to present 3 items, one at a time. Then you're going to give them a good feel. And after that, you will choose which one is the real snake. Madali lang, di ba? Madali lang yun. Pero pare, while touching the items, okay lang ba? Nakapikit ka? Diba? Parang wala silang tiwala sa'yo. Ano yan? Kasi huwag ka magalala. Nag-prepare naman ako ng diaper para sa'yo. Bago mo suotin to,
The backpack.
can you step right in? So, kapag snake play yan, ayaw mo sawaan ha. Okay, sige, pwede mo suot yung diaper mo. Kasi ha. Wala ka na bang nagtindahan?
Done.
All
Ang
you
video
have
naman.
to stick your left hand out. Okay, palm straight. Start the game. Ready ka na ba? Okay, how about the items? Items are ready? Okay, now, let me present the first item. Item number 1. How about the second item? Okay, and finally, the last item. Item number 3. And let me have it, please. Okay, Since we got a good feel of our 3 items, can you tell us which one is the real snake? Item number 1 ba? Number 2 or number 3? Item number 2. Guys, is she right? Yes, you're right. So, palakpakan naman natin si Karen. Item number 2 is Leia. Hey, where you go?
Talagang ahas
Let me show you guys.
Gagawin niya
Item number 1, may idea ka ba? Yes, you're right. Actually, it was Kuya Olang tayong kwetan sa. And item number 3, nasa ba siya kayo dahil? The fake snake. Oh, yan doon. Yes, this is like some all of it. Ano ba ito siya? Since tama yung sagot ko, I'll be giving you another chance to be player of skill.
Sleeping inside there?
Now, Bella, is she sleeping diving or smooth and dry? Yes, you're right. Snakes are smooth and dry, not slippery diving. So for being such a late sport, may gusto kami sa'yo. Ayan, nabago ka, smooth and warm. Pero, palakpakan naman natin si Karen. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Leia. Our instrument is 5